Let's divide 250 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning long division, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 250 by 2. We'll begin with the first digit, which is 2. We're going to use the first digit of our dividend, which is 2. No need to carry anything over yet. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check. 1 multiplied by our divisor 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from the first digit 2. That leaves us with 0. Easy peasy. Great job! We found the first digit of our answer. Now, let's bring down the next digit from the dividend to continue our adventure. We're on to the next digit. We have the remainder 0, and we bring down the next digit 5 to make 5. We combine our remainder 0 with the next digit 5 to make the number 5. We're using 1 digit this time. How many times does 2 go into 5? It goes in 2 times. Let's check. 2 multiplied by our divisor 2 equals 4. Time to subtract. 5 minus 4 leaves us with a remainder of 1. You're doing fantastic. We've got another digit in our answer. We're almost there. Let's bring down the last digit to finish this up. Last step, we bring down the final digit 0 to join our remainder 1, making 10. We combine our remainder 1 with the last digit 0 to make 10. We're using 2 digits now. How many times does 2 fit into 10? It fits exactly 5 times. Let's check. 5 multiplied by our divisor 2 is 10. Subtracting 10 from 10 gives us 0. No remainder left. Woohoo, we did it! We found the last digit of our answer. And that's it, we've successfully divided 250 by 2. Great job, everyone! So, 250 divided by 2 equals 125. We just conquered dividing 250 by 2, step by step. Remember, every problem can be solved with a little patience and a lot of practice. Keep up the great work. That's all for today. Keep practicing, and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Whizzes.